Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome to Insight with Dara. So today we're going to be learning how to cut a flared skirt. So these are the measurements that you will need. You will need the waist. I'm working with waist 20 here, and the skirt length. You need the skirt length, which is 11. It's like for a baby. So this is a flared skirt. You are going to be dividing the waist by 6.28. But this flared skirt, I want it to have gathers with it. So I'm going to be multiplying the waist 20 by 2.5. If you multiply it by 2.5, you'll be having 50. So you are going to divide this 50 by 6.28. This is the radius of a circle. So anything you get there, we're having 7.96. This is what we got at the end of the day. So I'm going to be rounding it up to 8 inches. This is the 8 inches here. So this 8, you are going to add it to the skirt length. That's 11 plus 8 is giving us 19 inches. So when you are folding your fabric, you'll be folding it in 19. You'll be folding it by 19. So this is the fabric I'm working with. As I said earlier, we are going to be cutting a full flare. So you have to fold the fabric into 4 parts. As you can see, this is it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you are done doing it, you fold it like this. You fold it into 2 at first, then you fold it again into 4 parts. So this is it here. So what I mean by saying you should fold the fabric in 19 places is that by the time you are done folding, what you have here should be 19. That's 11 plus 8 will be giving us 19 inches. So as you can see, I even have more than the 19 inches here. So from this point, you just mark the 8 inches. This 8 inches is serving as our arc. You mark 8 inches. You mark it all around 8 inches like this, 8 inches. Then you connect like this. I marked 8 inches all around like this. Then from this point, you mark the 11 inches. You mark the 11 inches like this. And this skirt is going to be having a band. The band will be around 1.5 inches. So mark the 11 inches round like this. Once you're done, you connect it. You connect it like this. As you can see, this is how you are going to connect all the parts together. So when you are done connecting, you just cut it out. So you cut like this. This is it here. This is what we have at the end of the day. So I'll have to slit one side. You know, this is cut on full flare. So you have to slit one side open like this. So this is what we have here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to open it and run gathers. Like I'll go to the sewing machine and run a straight stitch on it. So by the time we are done, we will pull it. We'll pull it again together. So guys, I've gone to sew, and this is what I mean by gathers here. As you can see, the sewing is going to be loose. Then I'm going to pull it. I'll just separate it like this. And I'm going to pull it till I have my desired waist. So this is how you are going to pull it all through. So you have to pull it like this till you have the desired waist you are using. So guys, I've gone to pull it and this is what we have here. So what I did was to add extra 5 inches to the 20 that we have at the waist. So everything together will be 25 inches. I want to add an elastic band to it. That's why I added the 5 extra inches to it. So this is it here. So I'll go ahead and cut the band right now. So this is the fabric, the remaining fabric here. So you fold it into two like this. So 25 divided by 2 will be giving me 12 and half. So this is 12 and half here. So I'm working with 3 inches here. So when I'm done sewing the band, it will remain at 1 inch. So this is it here. I'm going to just cut it out like this. So this is how I'm going to be sewing it to the skirt. This is it here. So you are going to place it like this. You're going to place it like this and sew all through. So let's go ahead and sew now. When I'm done sewing, I'll bring it for you to see. So guys, I've gone ahead to sew the band to it. The skirt is looking beautiful already. So this is what it looks like. So you can just weave this part. Sorry, I'll be doing it at the end of the sewing. So the next thing is the elastic that we're going to be inserting into it. So this is how you do the elastic. You place the elastic like this. That's half of it. I'm not going to be using the elastic, like I won't be measuring what I have at the waist all through. So the half of the waist that is here right now, remember we added extra inches to the waist because of the elastic we want to add. Then you add additional 2.5 inches. This is half of the waist we have here plus 2.5 inches. So this is it right here. So when you're done with it, you insert it to the band. So I'm just going to show us how to insert an elastic to the waist. So guys, when you want to insert an elastic into a band, you have to you need like a safety pin or any other thing you know how to use. So this is it here. You insert it like this, then you pass it through it. This is it here. So I'm going to pass it all through the band. So when I'm done with it, I'm going to show you the outcome of it. So guys, this is what we have right here. So the reason why I use this to hold it is because I don't want to find the elastic later on. So this is the outcome right here. So when you are done with it, it's just for you to turn it like this. Then you have to remove this. Then you are going to sew it here. You are going to sew it by 1 inch at the back like this. So I will just go ahead and do it now, and I'm going to show you guys the outcome of the skirt. So guys, we are almost done with our skirt and it's looking so beautiful. See it here. This is the back here. This is it here. So the next thing is to go ahead. If you have access to a weaving machine, you can use it. But if you are still going to be sewing it yourself, you can just fold it a bit like this. and sew it all round. Please, you have to maintain whatsoever you're sewing. You have to pick it small like this and sew all round. So I'm going to be sewing mine so I can show you guys the outcome. So let's go down and sew. Hello guys, so this is the outcome of our beautiful baby skirt. So as you can see, it is very easy to make. Just take a look at the skirt. Take a look at it. It's very easy to make. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly click the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified when I drop a new video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.